The continual and increasing progress of society depends on the evolution of each and every one of its component parts. People, groups, businesses. Research, development, and constant technological advancement are all future challenges that must be tackled with both decisiveness and responsibility, using the means necessary to make them viable, so as to make them an enriching source of that change. In 1984, this conviction led the government of Aragon to give shape to its commitment through the founding of the Aragon Technological Institute, a public body whose task is to promote research, development, and the technological upgrading of companies. The Institute is located at a technology campus alongside Zaragoza's main research and development centers. The target it has set itself is to meet every possible need of the competitive and modernizing world of industry, with special interest given to small and medium-sized companies. Its efforts are aimed at offering technological services which help product development or the implementation of new technology, to identify and tend to innovation needs in the different production areas, to technically assess improvements in productivity and supply the necessary equipment to guarantee product quality, and to promote technical and occupational training. The Institute also acts as a catalyst to make the most of the region's technological resources in a way that is beneficial for the interests of all involved, as well as to encourage research and development aimed at making economic, social, territorial, and environmental improvements. The structure that this complex set of tasks requires has led to the Institute being divided into 5 clearly defined technical areas, which, as a whole, are subordinated to the group's commitment. The agroalimentary and biotechnological areas channel their services through the project department and bromatology departments. Amongst its mandates, one can find the external control of food quality brand products, issuing certificates, offering assessment, running courses, participating in European cooperation programs, etc. Its laboratory offers a wide range of tests and analysis in the field of food quality and security. The electric and new technology field has had to extend its support to all industrial sectors, given that information and communication technology are now present in every product and manufacturing process. Therefore, its services try to meet the resultant growing necessities. Electronic products, automation, intelligent systems, telecommunications, software, internet, multimedia systems, laboratories, EC branding tests, etc. A valuable range of activities which make this area one of the most important in the centre. The Mechanics and New Materials area provides assistance to industries related to this field of work, such as those working with metals, plastics, and compound materials. Its aim is to act as a technological partner, providing support for companies at the process or product innovation stage, to the extent of, at times, providing the technological backup throughout the entire process, from start to finish. Design, calculus, simulation, acoustics, vibrations, mechanical tests, prototype tests and others make up the range of services offered by this area. We can also find one of the Institute's most significant achievements in latest generation technology, vertical transport. The effort and investment carried out in this project have turned the Aragon Technological Institute into the reference point for this industrial sector, for which it is planned to provide support and assessment in the design, registration and commercialization of components. The technical services area fulfills a role aimed at all industrial sectors, along with the other areas of the Institute. Its consultancy promotes participation in European research programs, supports development and innovation, provides information about possible sources of financing and potential partners for cooperation in projects. It carries out quality and environmental controls by developing projects, technical assessments, diagnoses, audits and studies of the environmental impact. It boasts a calibration laboratory complete with the most up-to-date technology and qualified staff, who provide their services to the companies that require them. It also gives specific technical assistance to the Aragon iron and steel sector, promoting its ideas and innovative projects. The objective of this area is to provide technicians with ongoing training in technology-related material. To that end, it promotes and organizes training courses and programs specifically for companies, as well as complementary activities aimed at maintaining the professional and productive capacity of the labor force. This is the ITA, the Aragon Technological Institute, an insider's view. However, its raison d'être is to make its presence felt on the outside, and thanks to this undertaking, its proposals are on the increase. The government of Aragon has recently set one of these proposals in motion via this organization, the Regional Innovative Action Programme 2002-2003, Innov Aragon. The goal of this program is to create a strategic performance framework within the region, in industrial and technological areas, that will improve company competitiveness and enhance business networks, promoting economic development, stabilizing employment and creating jobs. Innov Aragon is an ambitious program, which is co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund. Society, progress, technology, competitiveness. Words that only really make sense through effort and cooperation. Through unfailing assistance to the small and medium-sized companies that don't enjoy the benefit of such resources. And thanks to the intricate complexity of the projects and steps that have turned the Aragon Technological Institute into one of the most dynamic organizations in the Aragonese industrial network, and a vital part of the community that supports it.